Alright, here we go. What is that a laser? Is that a laser for 400?
Galileo for 4.
Laser for 4. On 16th of May 1960, this scientist demonstrated the first functional laser at the Hughes Research Laboratories. Takers, going once, going twice, and sold. Who is the Theodore Maiman?
Okay.
Alright, moving on. Orange team, again.
Let's just go ahead and finish lasers now.
Is that a laser for 500?
Answer.
In 1957, these two scientists, then at Bell Labs, conceived of a visible light laser which they called the maser. And going once, going twice, and gone. Who are Charles Towns and Arthur Schwallow? Never mind, I don't think we're going to go. Get it? Orange team.
According to APS.
Orange team, back it.
Let's do who am I for 500.
Who am I for 500? Who is this? Anything?
Oh, yes, yes.
Blue team.
Shot in the dark. Who is Maxwell James Clark?
Who is Maxwell Clark? Wrong.
Like close. That's in the right genre. Anybody else?
Anybody else? Going once. Going twice. And gone. Who is? Alright. Still orange team.
Alright. Let's go Nobel Prize winners for 100.
Nobel Prize for 100. This is the one of the only two women who have ever been awarded the Nobel Prize in physics. Purple team.
Madame Curie.
Who is Madame Curie?
Well, if it's one of only two, then how do you know which one it is?
Well, I picked either one.
Either one. It's either one.
It's only two.
Yeah, that's correct.
And that is correct. Madame Curie and Maria
Geppert.
The woman you just saw in the picture.
Right. What is she good for? Alright. Purple team. Galileo scope for 300. Galileo discovered that this planet has phases similar to that of an Earth's satellite. Yellow team. What is Mars? Wrong. Pink team.
What is Venus?
What is Venus?
Yes.
That is correct. What is Venus?
So Galileo scope for 400.
Galileo scope for 400. Galileo's observations convinced him that this scientist was correct about the motions of the planets around the sun. Purple team.
Copernicus.
Who is Copernicus? That should be correct.
Who is Copernicus?
Who is Copernicus?
Is that right? Yeah.
That is correct. Yes. Yes, Nicholas Copernicus. Alright.
Nobel
Hey, you know what? It's a work in progress. We're trying.
Nobel Prize for how many? Nobel Prize for 500. This MIT professor and Princeton graduate was awarded the Nobel Prize in Physics in 2003.
Oh.
Going once, going twice, and gone.
Oh, wait.
Wait, you got one guess? Who is John Nash?
No.
Wrong, incorrect. Anybody else?
This is
Twice. God. Who is Frank Milkshake?
Good job.
All right, Nobel Prize winners.
For 400.
Nobel Prize for 400. This physicist from Princeton University shared the Nobel Prize in 1993 for the discovery of binary pulsar systems. Ornstein.
Taylor. Yeah, who is Taylor? Fred Taylor.
Who is Fred Taylor?
No.
Nope.
Incorrect.
I already said the answer.
It's
Y'all know the
not
answer?
Fred Taylor.
Oh, who's Taylor? I don't have to get that Taylor.
Who is Taylor? Who is Taylor? That's correct.
Call him Fred.
Alright. Who is Taylor? Mr.
I
Taylor.
think so.
Sir Taylor.
Either you say it or
Alright. 200. Nobel Prize for 200. This Texas Instrument scientist shared the Nobel in 2000 for his part in the invention of the integrated circuit. Ornstein.
Who's Jack Kilby?
Who is Mr. Kilby?
That is correct.
That is correct for 200 points. Ornstein.
Well, the last one.
Clean us out. Nobel Prize for 300. This is one of the three scientists who shared the Nobel Prize in 2001 for the achievement of Bose-Einstein condensation in dilute gases of alkali atoms, and for early fundamental studies of the properties of the condensates.
So any one of the three scientists.
Any of these three scientists will be accepted.
Do you know something?
I only know one of them.
Jack Kilby didn't win the Nobel Prize until 2000.
That's it.
What?
That didn't happen until 2000.
They didn't win the Nobel Prize for it until 2001.
Going once?
It happened in 1996, I think.
Any takers? One 3 times. And nobody gets the last Jeopardy. Who is it? Who is Eric Cornwell, Wolfgang?
Eric Cornell.
Eric Cornell, I can't read. Mr.
Yeah.
And
Final short one. Final
hey!
Does every team make a wager? Write it down somewhere.
Wait, can we get a score?
Purple team is 100, blue team is -800, green team is 900, yellow team is -700, orange team is 900, pink team is -400.
Okay, final Jeopardy questions worth 500 points. If you get it right, you get 500 points. If you get it wrong, you lose 500 points.
Oh, you don't do anything.
So write your answers on a piece of paper.
Alright, category of Final Jeopardy is laser physics. Alright, the Raman shift of diamond is 1,332 inverse centimeters. If this energy shift is measured using an argon ion laser line of 514.5 nanometers, this is the wavelength of the diamond Raman peak. Alright, we'll let yellow team read their answer first. What do you got? 0.38626 times 10 to the -7.
I have 552.4 nanometers.
You have what?
552.4 nanometers.
No, well, everybody's got it right now. Were y'all the only two that have answered?
Yeah, those are the only two answers we had.
Your answer is correct.
Alright. Orange team got it first. Got it right. So,
Orange team wins.
yeah. So orange team won round 1.